In yet another attack by Kuki terrorists on Meitei farmers, Kuki terrorists hiding near paddy fields near Naransena High Canal in Bisnupur district opened around 15 rounds of gunfire around 7 a.m. today that left a farmer injured. The injured has been identified as a 38-year-old Salam Jotin from Naransena Ward number 8. He was injured on the left side of his chest and has been hospitalized. His companion, Maishnam Sunil, missed the bullets as he took shelter by immediately lying down on the field. Reports suggest that both had gone to spray pesticides in the paddy field neighboring Kuki-dominated areas near Nipra Lampak. The already hiding 4 Kuki terrorists opened fire at them indiscriminately, which left Salam Jotin injured. According to Sunil, they fled the area and ran towards a fencing near an IRB camp, and Jotin was then taken to hospital from there. After receiving first aid at Bisnupur District Hospital, Jotin was then shifted to Ras Medicity in Imphal. After plenty of blood loss, Jotin is being transfused with blood now. The bullet has not been extracted from his body yet. After the incident, gunfires were exchanged between security forces and the Kuki terrorists around 10 a.m. A village volunteer was also injured in the gunfight and is being treated at Caesar Hospital. Our reporter Ningthongbam Johnson spoke with Maisnam Sunil about the incident.